Get ready, because story time just got real. Upon the far, far northern tip-top of the Mount of Airy lived an artisan named Ferenc. Dear Santa, most people think I'm pretty strange anyway, and, well, I admit I'm probably a jingle short in the old sleigh bell. But I heard that some things are worth believing in. And I believe. Merry Christmas, Santa. Ferenc. Things forsaken. Was Christmas Eve day, and as Ferenc worked on script for this very video.
Santa! Ferenc!
What are you doing here? I mean, it's Christmas Eve. Shouldn't you be tooling around the globe and delivering toys to children? Coffee subscriptions to mom and dad?
Well, that's just the thing. I got your letter.
Yeah, things forsaken.
I don't get many of those anymore like I used to. Oh, the children are fine, but the grown-ups, they don't believe in me anymore.
That's a tough one.
We need something simple that we can bang out in the workshop. Something that'll make believers out of them. Yeah, like in the old days.
Then Ferenc had an idea. A dark and terrible idea.
What's that?
It's called a Heretics Fork. It's an oldie, simple but effective. This little gadget changed lots of minds in the old days.
Ooh. And Santa.
Ooh, can we, Santa? Can we?
Yes. Ho, 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 ho. Loved it.
Well, what are we waiting for? I've got plenty of mild steel rods, Santa. We can start lopping pieces off and get the forge going.
Santa could barely contain his excitement as Ferenc showed him how to draw out the hot steel. Then it was Santa's turn, and his heart rang out with every strike of Christmas joy. Next, Toby, Santa's right-hand elf, began to work yet another bar of the hot steel. Along with Santa, they switched heats until Toby as well could hear the ring of Christmas joy.
Hey, nice job, guys. We'll make this really quick and simple. Take the angle grinder, cut a slit down the center, then we can open up those forks, start working the points.
But there was a problem.
But my angle grinder's kaput, and I haven't had time to get a new one. I don't have a hot cut tool made up either. And I'm not messing up my stone chisels on these things.
Then Santa had an idea.
What do you think?
A wonderful idea.
Yes.
Yes, the first gift of Christmas.
It's the Rudolph 5000. Thank you, Santa.
It'll cut through the densest of anything and everything.
With the slots cut and a new heat, Ferenc began to spread the forks to draw out the tines. But Santa had other things on his mind. The Heretics Fork, a heinous device popular from the Inquisition through the Tudor periods. Strapped securely to the neck, the sharpened tines embedding themselves into the flesh and the sternum, up through the jaw, making the heresy of such speech difficult and painful.
There's no such thing as Santa Claus.
Elves. Seriously?
Nera Santa Claus, huh?
Santa Claus? He's just a figment of everybody's imagination.
Do I believe in what? Elves? Sure.
Santa Claus? I was Santa Claus in the mall for once.
All this Santa Claus nonsense. That's just storybook stuff for children.
I've told you before, Santa is not real.
Santa? Aren't you a bit old to be believing in Santa?
Oh, come on, Santa's not real. It's just an old man in a suit.
Elves.
Elves?
Mikolash, nem igaz.
Santa isn't real.
I'm supposed to tell my kid that there's some guy flying around with a bunch of reindeer?
By the thousands, they would recant. And with faint of breath, mouth the words, I believe.
Santa Claus? In this world? You gotta be joking.
That noise on the roof? You think that's Santa Claus up there? Oh no. Nobody breaking in my house.
I can't believe that you guys all believe in this stuff. It's just utter nonsense. Like, really? Oh, you guys crack me up. The stuff that you believe in.
'Twas small round stock they used to form around the horn of the anvil, creating the ring that would hold the fork trapped with the strappings around the neck. With Santa and Toby now on their own and working in unison, Ferenc could only stand back in amazement and watch as the two created hundreds, no, thousands of the heinous devices at a pace only seen in the workshops of Santa, both bursting with Christmas joy.
I know there's reindeer, but elves? Santa? I'm not a kid anymore.
But somewhere in that jolly, joyous laugh,
Santa and elves? I just can't. I can't.
Of course not. Santa and the elves are just a myth.
darkness now.
It's not like he'll magically come get me.
Thanks, that was great. You're welcome.
So, how was your trip down, guys?
Well, it was fine until we ran into some kind of Santa parade.
You guys are staying the night tonight, right? It's Christmas Eve. Santa's coming tonight.
Really? They're grown-ups.
You still believe in Santa?
And that's when they knew. The reindeer droppings are about to get real.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree.
Merry Christmas!